welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nicola. Hi. What's up, Wagwan? How are you? If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for choosing this video. Welcome to my family, and I hope you stay. And just so you stay, I'm gonna ask you to subscribe real quick. Done? Okay, thank you. And if you are a returning member, welcome back, guys. How are you? Wagwan, what you been up to? How have you been? Happy Sunday or happy Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or whenever you're watching this video. Have a happy day. I hope you're staying safe, sanitized, and staying inside. Today, it's not another Mohawk, don't worry. We are just going to, as usual, transform this hair into something that's wearable, and so it can look cute during this quarantine time. We are using some new products today. Well, new for me, maybe not new for you, but let me know what you guys use down below, if you've used these before, and what you think about them. So today I bought the, well, not today, some days ago I bought the Wetline Extreme Professional Hair Gel, a product of Mexico. Here you go. I have not even opened it yet, so let's see what it smells like. First impressions, y'all. It smells like gel, but it also smells like if red had a smell, it smells like something red. Like a red gel, I guess. If red had a smell, that's what it smells like. I don't know like how it feels or how it works, so we'll definitely get to see how that goes further down. Is that the only new thing? No. We've got Kirby's Authentic Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Castor oil. It nourishes hair, skin, and scalp, 100% pure. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, here we go. I'm assuming this smells like castor oil. If you don't know what castor oil smells like, it smells like a burnt nut. So not very much so like peanut, but maybe like burnt cashew or something like that. Roasted nut. That's what it smells like. This doesn't have very much of a smell. Okay. Well, I guess that's that. When we apply it, we'll see. But those are the only two products that we have new today. Other than that, you know, I have been loving my Shea Miracle Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner. I have that in my hair right now, but I'll be reapplying it so I get my hair soft, because when you're applying gel to your hair, you want to put something between the gel and your hair, because gels are intensely drying and they can cause breakage if you put them on, they're dry, and then you manipulate afterwards, or you don't wash your hair like maybe 2-3 days afterwards. So something between the gel and the hair, leave-in conditioner. If you have a spray, a liquid conditioner, you could also use that, or if you have a moisturizer that you really love, you could also use that. But what time is it? But I want to be using this Hairstyle. Spread some water and then I'll use this. And of course, you know, I'm going to stimulate my follicles on my edges with my Edge Entity Follicle Stimulant. Jesus, at what time? Gee, thank you. Alright, and I guess that's it for now. Of course, we've got some beads that we'll be accessorizing with. I've got our elastic bands, and we've got our trusted tools for our hair. And that's it. Stay tuned.
take this overboard. Now I want you to rock the boat, rock the boat, rock the boat, rock the boat. Work it in, work the middle, work the middle, work the middle. Change positions, new position, new position. Stroke it, baby, yeah. Stroke it for me, stroke it for me. Ooh, baby, I love your stroke.
Hi. I am given some old R&B kind of vibe, like Aaliyah, sis. Come on. I said I wasn't going to, like, you know, get all glammed up for any more looks during the quarantine, but sis, woo, child. This I had on my kerchief on my head, you know, to keep my edges laid, and I was just like, you know, this with the beads and everything, it's giving me some Aaliyah or some old R&B left eye kind of vibes. So I threw on that crushed up jacket for no reason, and I kept my handkerchief on, but let me take it off so y'all can see the look. I'm so pleased. There we go, edges laid. Yes, I even gave y'all the black liner, you know, a lot of gloss kind of thing. Ponytail, not ponytail, puff sleeve. And I am so pleased with this look. Let me know what y'all think down below in the comment section. Blow it up, as other YouTubers would say. Spam comment section, Team Nikki. I'm joking. Just tell me what you guys think down below. And I must say, this baby right here, I am pleased. I bought it because everybody else was using it on YouTube, and I was just like, maybe it's good. And I've always wanted to, you know, get very sleek puffs without using heat or anything like that. And I really love this, the Wetline Extreme Professional Hair Gel from Mexico, sis. Gracias, muy bien, te amo. You know, yeah, it's really good. Y'all should go out and try it. It's just $391 Jamaican dollars, as in 391 Jamaican dollars. This is the 8.82 ounces. So it's really cool. I love it. Let me know what y'all think about my look down below in the comment section. And castor oil, I oiled my hair with it, and you know, when I took off that little round part that you saw me take off, that's when I got the smell. So I was like, why does this castor oil not smell? But it does. It smells like roasted nuts, as I said. So yeah, but it smells so good. It's almost giving you a roasted cocoa kind of vibe. It just smells good. I'm gonna like it. And castor oil can't do no wrong, you know, especially when it's a 100% Jamaican castor oil, can't do no wrong. So I'm looking to good things for this, some growth and some improvement and so on. So, and I'm done talking, so please like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, I forgot to tell you guys that, you know, if you didn't want to do a puff at the back, you could have also did some curls. You could have left your hair straight, just a nice afro, and just have a, like a, you know, like a big old, there's just like a lot of stuff happening at the back, but not too much. It would just look very simple, and then your Bantu knots here on top will just pop, as well as your braids right here at the front. And you know, typically when doing one side of my head, one side is done much better than the other one. Like this side looks so much neater. I love this side so much. Let me know which side you prefer. This side, it's kind of a struggle side, but I love it just the same. Like, thank you. Let me know what you guys think down below. Comment. I told you thank you. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Stay safe, walk good, live, love, laugh and spread good vibes. Remember to subscribe. Baby, I love